For the past how many years, a lot of wahala dey Nigeria. Some of us, they confuse some people to be some people. Even myself until today, when I want to read the news, I don't read about some people when I don't understand. When I just they blast me. You have to listen. Not be everything, just the kind they blast me. As I dey, yes, I'm a messenger. They send me message and I'm here to deliver the message. So make anybody not just come, call they call scratch my hand, call they call say like this. I'll be sticky Jew. You understand the? For the past how many years now, some people they confuse neo-black movement of Africa to be black ass. Some people don't hijack the name black ass. Some people they feel that they be NBM. So now the things they cause a lot of wahala because people they feel say NBM na Curtis. They say NBM is not a Curtis. It's NGO where they help people. Where they make sure say people with their oppression for Africa, they won't remove them for captivity. Their aim is to make sure say Africa remain as one. People with their cage or break them, the chain come off of their body. I'm gonna see this logo will be like this, so where the ask all day to remove you from captivity. And their logo, they done na NBM. Women na mumu put out them made it for the understander. Say na be their own. But now some people hijack the something, do this one, say aye. Say they know they use this one. This one not be their own. They send me message because some of them they look me like this. No, I'm gonna just join him up. If we be self, I not fit join yourself. You understand? So the thing they cause wahala. And NBM not they celebrate July 7th. So anybody where they celebrate July 7th, maybe those one are black ass. Say those people not join them. They wear black, they wear black beret, put ring boy inside, wear yellow sauce. And you understand what I mean? Say so they do July 7th. Say July 7th, not they their constitution. More than they understand though. Say not they. Say so all these things they bring guru they come. So if any police arrest anybody, make the police know they say na their person. Say because their NBM made by the real one with the ghost, with they know law, where they give this thing. No say July 7 is not for them. It's for another people. I don't know who get that one. And this name black ass now from one newspaper for Uniben that year where they take the pass message, which is NBM, take the pass message. Now that name come black ass. Now from there some people hijack. And if you did the court, say they give everybody warning. Not be say you just see somebody wear beret, you call it go beat her, you go punch over her. He say they not tell you say me you beat person. Listing those of them who join NBM. Now they talk to so. I don't know about the other one. They say make una know they beat us if you wear beret. Say they not send you. And make una know they fly beret up and down. He say now when una get meeting, una spot to the wear beret. I want you now. And not be everywhere una go. Una call they do here. Come on, silent. I don't know how they call her. Una call they do like this just to make us feel say and we not belong. Say no, those checking is for when una do on una own. No una day open place una call it one. So una done. Now they say make I tell una so. And the lawyer Kevin, now they tell the put this something here, make they read down. Now they tell una, not me talk. They just send me to pass the message. So I don't pass the message. NBM, not be black ass. Black ass is not NBM. So now two different something. So they hijack some. I don't know which one they hijack. Whether they hijack from this one, they hijack from this one. Maybe when me show more. I've read this thing and I confused this one. Now I can read them and I understand. So the place they say they not be Curtis. And they know they kill people. They know the same person they go fight. Their own are love and help society. If I'm Momo, yeah, cut. This news hard.